FastMCP3 employs a dual-decorator architecture to separate UI entry points from backend tool implementations, ensuring clean separation of concerns while maintaining stable tool references across namespaced environments. This pattern allows the model to interact with high-level UI components while delegating data operations to server-side functions with globally unique identifiers. We're about to examine how this application initializes its core structure and prepares for execution, demonstrating the minimal setup required to launch a FastMCP application with registered tools.
App equals FastMCPApp contacts. Hash register tools. If name equals main. app.run.
This code demonstrates the entry point pattern for running FastMCP applications. The FastMCPApp instance, named Contacts, serves as the central orchestrator, managing both UI entry points and backend tools through its decorator system. The app.run method provides a development convenience that automatically wraps the application in a temporary FastMCP server, eliminating the need for manual server setup during development. The pattern separates concerns between UI presentation and backend logic while maintaining a clean execution model. By using app.run, developers get immediate feedback during iteration without sacrificing the production-ready architecture. This approach trades some explicit control over server configuration for rapid development cycles, making it ideal for prototyping and testing interactive applications where the UI and backend tools are tightly coupled. The design choice to include this utility method reflects FastMCP's focus on developer experience. It acknowledges that while production deployments will typically use explicit FastMCP server instances with multiple providers, the development workflow benefits from quick iteration. The method maintains all the framework's composition guarantees. Tools remain globally addressable and namespace safe, even when running standalone. Let's break it down line by line.
App equals FastMCPApp contacts.
Creates an instance of FastMCPApp named app with the context identifier contacts. The string parameter contacts specifies the model context protocol MCP domain this application instance will operate within. This line initializes the core application object that will coordinate the decorators and context handling for the contacts domain.
Hash register tools. If name equals main.
Checks if the script is being executed directly rather than being imported as a module. When true, the code block following this line will run only when the file is invoked as the main program.
app.run.
Starts the FastMCP application's event loop, making it listen for incoming requests and handle them according to the configured routes and decorators. This is the entry point that launches the server blocking execution until the application is stopped. FastMCP3's dual-decorator architecture cleanly separates UI entry points from backend tool implementations, and this minimal initialization pattern demonstrates how that separation works in practice. The FastMCPApp instance serves as the central orchestrator for the contacts domain, managing both UI components and backend tools through its decorator system. The app.run method provides a development convenience that automatically wraps the application in a temporary server, enabling rapid iteration without sacrificing the production-ready architecture. This design choice prioritizes developer experience by offering immediate feedback during development while maintaining all the framework's composition guarantees. The pattern ensures that tools remain globally addressable and namespace safe, even when running standalone, making it ideal for prototyping and testing interactive applications where the UI and backend tools are tightly coupled.
The app registers tools that flicker like fireflies before the first run.